in today's video, we're taking a look at this rice cooker. Now, this is the rice cooker right here, and in today's video, we're going to talk about some of the features that it offers, as well as what you can expect when you get it. Now, the first thing I noticed about this rice cooker is that it does offer a lot of different modes for cooking different types of rices and grains. You can hit this menu button here to go ahead and switch through the different modes. I also really like that they have a large display to help me keep track of when my food will be done. Now, the control panel also offers buttons to go ahead and adjust the time, to go ahead and set a timer. We also have a button specifically designated to keeping our food warm, and also a button to go ahead and start our cooking. Now, if we go ahead and hit the release button, we can go ahead and pop the lid of this unit and remove the bowl. Now, this bowl actually has specific markings and measurements on the side for our different grains and rices, but one thing I was really impressed with about this bowl is the non-stick surface on it is very nice and high quality, and it does a great job at not sticking your food. Now, this rice cooker also comes with a measuring cup here that has specific designated amounts on the actual cup, and you'll go ahead and just follow the instructions for whichever grain you're cooking. I really like the fact that they added a handle to this unit as well. It makes carrying this unit around your kitchen very easy with this handle. Overall, I've been very impressed with this rice cooker unit. I think it's an excellent, very high quality product, and for that reason, I highly recommend it.